Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infinity of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport, my favorite car in Infinity's lineup. Maybe second to the Q60 Red Sport, but this one is a gorgeous spec. We got slate gray over graphite with the red stitching. We have the illuminated kick plates, the welcome lighting. This one also has the illuminated emblem and the carbon fiber pack, which is going to have your carbon rear deck lid spoiler and your carbon fiber mirror caps. They both look absolutely awesome. Oh, slate gray is a gorgeous color. Sticker price on this one, $62,510. Man, what a gorgeous color. Don't mind the jacket. It's cold. I need to stay warm, sorry. Oh. Sunroof, carbon fiber trim, paddle shifters behind the wheel, 360 camera, just gorgeous. I love this car. But without further ado, we're in Sport Plus mode. Let's go ahead, take this thing on the road. So, Q50 is our sedan, Q60 being the coupe, taking on BMW 3 Series, Audi A4, although this one takes on the M340i and the S4, as well as the AMG C43. This is a competitor to those cars, and I think you'll notice the price point is very competitive. This Red Sport is at $62,000. Similarly equipped S4 M340i, you're going to be touching $70,000. Should they cost that much? No, they really shouldn't. But you know what? It is what it is. 400 horsepower, twin turbo V6, 3 liter, of course. Yeah, definitely ample. All-wheel drive, only option for your... I'm not going to say that. I'm not going to say it's the only option, because I know for us, we only bring in all-wheel drives. But other markets like California, they might have rear drive, because I know at one point we had a used Q60 rear-wheel drive. So, in terms of audio, you have your Bose Performance Series. I believe that is standard on your Red Sport. Uh-oh. Something's on fire. Somebody overcooked their popcorn. That's not good. It's weird. So you'll drive one of these, and then actually, right after this, I'm driving a Lux, which of course is the 300 horsepower. You'll notice how much more in the top end this thing pulls. Above 4,000 RPM is where this car will really pull. It feels the same as the 300 horse motor under 4,000 RPM, which just shows how powerful that the non-Red Sport Q50s feel. The only time I notice it is above in the higher RPMs. Wowzers. Also, if I'm not mistaken, I do believe direct adaptive steering, the steer-by-wire system, is no longer for 2022. Might be mistaken, but based on everything I'm feeling and what I'm hearing, it's no longer. I'll double check my training, dealer training, but I'm 99% sure. Which is kind of sad because I was starting to get used to it, but listen, this steering is great. So if this is the new normal, I am okay with it. Whoa. Oh, these are fun cars. These are almost too fun. This is a good way to get yourself in trouble. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.